guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be filming the E30 for the first time, so it'll be interesting to get to see it. We're just going to be doing the rear springs tonight, try and get it a bit lower, and then after that we're going to be doing the front springs probably tomorrow night, so let's get it. Right, so for today's install we've got some king springs. Decided to go down this route instead of coilovers at the moment, so Nath would be happy with the height of the car just on springs for now, and later down the track if he feels the need to go to coilovers, that's what he's going to do, but for now we've got king springs, so we'll show you what we've got and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so we'll unbox the set of springs. Got a front and a rear. So if we want to compare the rear springs, which is what we're doing tonight, this is what we've got. So this is our old one, this is our new one. So this is what it looks like once we've got the new spring installed. It's pretty easy to install to do this one because you've just got your rear control arms that hold the spring there while you've got your strut over here. So all you got to do is unbolt your strut down here, unbolt your sway bar at the back, drops down your control arm, and then you've got the ability to drop the control arm and with a bit of leverage you can get the spring out pretty easy. So pretty easy to do the rears. The fronts are going to be a little bit more difficult taking the spring at the strut, but pretty straightforward. New dish.
Comes steady. Oh, fuck. Oh, she's tight.